The title of this web quest is Lincoln the Exhibit, a web quest through history. This web quest meets the History and Social Science Content Standards for California, number 3.4.6, which describes the lives of American heroes who took risks to secure our freedoms. For example, Anne Hutchinson, Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, Frederick Douglass, Harriet Tubman, Martin Luther King Jr. As you can see from the pictures, this web quest will be about Abraham Lincoln. In this web quest, you will be a historian who will be examining Abraham Lincoln's life. You will choose one aspect of this great man's life and develop a presentation about it. You will have several tasks to complete. With task number 1, you will begin by researching your topic on the internet. You and your group will first visit the Ronald Reagan Museum's website and view the Lincoln the Exhibit page to see what items will be on display. Watch all videos and read the descriptions of the exhibit before choosing which topic your group will be researching. You can choose one of the following topics: his early life, his career, his wife and children, his presidency, or his death. Now that you have chosen your topic, you should decide which type of presentation you would like to do. You may choose from a speech, a short play, a PowerPoint presentation, a video, or another form of presentation of your choice, approved by your teacher. With task 3, you now begin your research. You may use any of the following websites to find information and images to use in your final presentation. You can use the Smithsonian website, the Lincoln Institute website, Scholastic's website, the National Geographic for Kids website, or the Abraham Lincoln Art Gallery website. As a class, we will then visit the Ronald Reagan Museum to see Lincoln the Exhibit. While there, you will continue to collect information and images. Prepare at least 5 questions about your topic to ask the exhibitors, who will be available to answer your questions. You will need to use at least one quote from this source in your presentation. And finally, you will need to complete your final presentation and present it to the class. This is the rubric for how your presentation will be graded. It ranges from poor to excellent, and you will need to read this entire form in order to know exactly which you will be graded on. In conclusion, Abraham Lincoln accomplished much during his presidency and is considered to be one of our greatest presidents. Although he grew to accomplish many great things, he, like everyone, was not born great. He was once a child, he had to overcome many problems, he had to learn many lessons, and he had to face his fears as he made choices that would affect his life. After watching the presentations given by your classmates, write a final reflection paper about why you think Abraham Lincoln was able to accomplish so many great things. There are also several extension activities that you'll need to complete. Number 1, make a list of words that you would use to describe Abraham Lincoln, and circle the words that you think also describe yourself. Number 2, play the If You Were a President game. Number 3, play the Lincoln Slide puzzle game. And number 4, watch National Geographic's video about Abraham Lincoln's life. Goodbye and happy questing.